Welcome to our special presentation titled Model Portfolios 2017. My name is Todd Shaffer, Manager of Research for VectorVest, and I'll be providing your presentation this evening. If you're familiar with our model portfolios, you know we developed them to provide a collection of turnkey trading systems that you can follow mechanically and get fantastic results. Each system gives you precise instruction on when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. A perfect solution for those who just want to know what to do and when to do it. We've run the backtests, we've done the research, we've developed the trading plan with one simple goal in mind: remove the guesswork from investing and deliver a high probability of success to our subscribers. Each of the model portfolios is trading in real time, and you can see them in action by clicking on the Portfolios tab. From the home page of the program, we simply come to the Portfolios tab, click. Here we see the 5 model portfolios for 2017. Because of their stellar performance from 2016 and before even, model portfolios number 1 and number 2 are carryovers from 2016. With one significant difference, this year we'll be using the profit locker stop and the 5-day down shorting search. Portfolios number 3, number 4, and number 5 are all new this year and are based on some of our best performing searches submitted to our Worry-Free Investing Challenge in 2016. As Dr. DeLito indicated previously, we're into the 6th year of this rally, and with the market slowing, we'd be wise to incorporate some downside protection to these trading plans. So you'll note that each of these new plans includes a trading plan for the down market as well as the up market. We examined their backtesting performance in last week's special presentation. This week, we'll move back into the backtester to review the trading plan settings. Beginning with portfolio number 1, we simply click on the Edit button. It'll bring up the backtest settings for this particular backtest. By clicking on the Customize Trading System button, we'll open up the Trading System wizard. Here we see portfolio 1 is trading the confirmed calls. When we have a confirmed up call, we'll buy long from the CC S&P 500 winners search. We'll use a profit locker stop of a 50% target and a 15% stop percent. And in the more settings, we'll have 5 positions, automatically replacing those positions. We'll not limit the number of positions opened in a single day. We'll close any open positions that were opened in a different situation. In other words, we'll close any short positions that we have open when we get a confirmed up call. And we'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. Scrolling down, we'll trade odd lots. We'll not repurchase any stocks that have been traded in the last 31 days. And we'll leave the rest at our defaults, except we will limit the maximum percent of a stock's average volume to 2%. For the downside, on the confirmed down call, we will sell short from the CC Verns Vultures down 5 days search. All these searches, by the way, found in the Searches Model Portfolios group that was added to the Unisearch tool. We'll manage those stocks with a gain-loss stop of a 20% gain and a 10% loss. And in more settings, again, trading 5 positions, automatically replacing those positions. No limit to the number that will open in a day. However, we're not going to close any open positions, so we're going to let the long positions run and manage themselves on stops. If they stop out and we have an open position, then we'll hedge the portfolio with a short. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll buy odd lots and we'll limit our repurchases to 31 days. And again, with a 2% maximum percent of stock's average volume. And so those are the portfolio settings for model portfolio number 1. For model portfolio number 2, again, we'll click the Edit button and get the Trading System wizard. Here we see we're trading the RT Kicker Combo Timing System. For the up situation here, Our rules are to buy long using the RTC S&P 500 Winners Search. We'll trade a profit locker stop loss of a 50% target, a 15% stop. On the More Settings tab, we're going to trade 10 positions, automatically replacing them. No limit to the number of positions opened in a day. We'll not close any positions on entering into this situation. We'll invest the average portfolio value. We'll trade odd lots. No repurchase of stocks that are currently in the portfolio. We'll have a maximum of 3 stocks per industry and 2% of the stock's average volume. The automation rules for our neutral and down situations are to take no action, just holding those long positions through both of those market signals. And that completes the trading rules for portfolio number 2. Portfolio number 3 trades on the DEW timing signal. For our up signal, we'll use one of our new worry-free searches, in this case the DEW Worry-Free Investing Challenge DKS search. Again, all these searches found in the Searches Model Portfolios group. The stop criteria, a profit locker 100% target, 15% stop. In the More Settings, we'll trade 10 positions, automatically replacing closed positions. No limit to the number that will open in a day, but we will close any open positions that were opened in a different situation. In other words, close any positions opened on the bearish signal. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position, buying odd lots. No repurchases of stocks that are currently in the portfolio, and our default settings for the rest of the wizard. On the down situation, we'll short stocks from the DEW Verns Vultures down 5 days search. Our stop criteria will be a gain loss of a 50% gain, 20% loss. Under More Settings, we'll maintain 10 positions in the portfolio, automatically replacing closed positions. No limit to the number of positions opened in a day. We'll not close any open positions, again letting our long positions ride through the signal managed on stops. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll buy odd lots. We'll limit the repurchases of stocks that we currently have in the portfolio and the rest of our defaults. That concludes the portfolio settings for portfolio number 3. Portfolio 4 also uses the DEW timing signal. For its situation up, we'll use the DEW WFIC GLF search. We'll manage it with profit locker stop of a 50% target and a 15% stop. Under More Settings, we'll trade 10 positions in the portfolio, no limit to the number that will open in a day, automatically replacing, of course. We'll close any position that was opened in a different situation, letting our long positions run through or hold through the down signals managed on stops. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll trade odd lots. We'll limit the repurchase of stocks that we currently have in the portfolio, and the rest of our settings left at their defaults. On the down situation, we will short Nomo Mojo down 5 days. Stop criteria for this will be a 50% gain and a 20% loss. Under More Settings, we'll trade 10 positions, automatically replacing closed positions. No limit to the number of positions opened in a day. Don't close any positions when entering the situation, letting our long positions hold through the down cycle, managed on stops. Invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll trade odd lots. No repurchase of stocks that we currently have in the portfolio, and the rest of our defaults. That concludes portfolio number 4. And finally, portfolio number 5. Portfolio 5 trades the RT Kicker Combo timing system. Checking its settings wizard, we see in the up situation that we're going to buy long using the RTC WFIC SKR search. For our stop criteria, we'll use a profit locker of a 100% target, 15% stop. Under More Settings, a 10-stock portfolio, automatically replacing closed positions. No limit to the number of positions opened in a day. We'll close any open position that was opened in a different situation. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll buy odd lots. No repurchase of stocks that are currently in the portfolio and the rest of our defaults. For the downside, we'll short from the Nomo Mojo down 5 days search using a stop criteria of a 50% gain, 20% loss. Under More Settings, still 10 positions, automatically replacing closed positions. No limit to the number of positions opened in a day. We'll not close any open position when entering the situation, meaning that we'll let our long positions continue to run, managed on their stops. We'll invest the average portfolio value in each position. We'll buy odd lots, and we'll limit the repurchase of stocks that are currently in the portfolio and the rest of our defaults. For the neutral situation, we'll take no action, just letting our existing positions remain open, managed on their stops. And that completes portfolio number 5. So that's our portfolio lineup for 2017. You've seen their performance from last week. Of course, you saw their equity curves here again in this demonstration and their current performance on the portfolios tab. So once you've decided which of the portfolios you'd like to trade, the model portfolio system begins with our daily action plan wizard. Let's go to the timing tab where we'll find the wizard. Here we see in the upper right the model portfolio's action plan button. And this is really VectorVest at its easiest. If you just want to be told what to do every day, this is the black box solution you've been looking for. Simply click on the plan button, select the trading system that you'd like to follow, and follow steps 1, 2, and 3. When to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. So when your selected trading plan's timing signals that it's okay to buy stocks, this little arrow will turn green and indicate to you that it's okay to buy bullish positions. The wizard automatically will run the search for you, showing you the list of stocks that the search returned on that day. I can look at the graphs and cherry pick from the list, or simply take the top performing stocks from the top of the list. As for when to close, simply place a stop loss order with your brokerage. To get the full benefit of our new Profit Locker stop, you'll want to take advantage of the alerting feature within our Portfolio Genius. So let's just export the list of our stocks to a portfolio. We'll click this link, and just that easily we created our portfolio. I'll close the wizard. And here's our new portfolio with our 10 stocks from the search result in the wizard. The portfolio automatically assigns your default settings to structure the portfolio. To enable the trading plan, you'll have to have the auto timer to use the Genius. But if we click on Settings, we can select an existing trading system from our template tool. By clicking that button, I open the template. Our trading systems for the model portfolios are listed here. I simply click on and choose model portfolio number 3 from where I got the list of stocks, select it, and notice that the trading rules have now been imported and overlaid on this portfolio. Currently, we're in a DW up situation, and these are the rules that are currently being applied. And of course, if you wish, you can come in and customize any of the trading system settings as you like. With the Genius settings on, coming to the bottom, we'll click Save. We see now the Genius is activated and we're in the up situation. You want to make sure that it does activate the stop losses, which are these little warning signals here telling us that that's not been applied. So let's go back into settings. We'll turn the Genius off. Turn it back on and apply it to the existing positions, our stop loss. Once it updates, the yellow triangle should disappear. And we see the stop loss has been applied. The alerting system then will show us alerts, also send us a text message or an email, depending on how you set up your alerts. But the alerting system then will tell you anytime trading activity is required, either to close existing positions because they've hit their stops, or to open new positions on a replacement basis, or any of our timing signals. So it's easiest to let the VectorVest Portfolio Genius handle closing positions when they've met your stop criteria, opening new positions from the search of your choice, changing the trading rules based on changes to the VectorVest market timing signals. To really take it to the next level, let the RoboTrader help execute your orders with your brokerage. The RoboTrader uses the same Portfolio Genius system to manage your trades, but also to generate order tickets and transmit those orders with your approval to your connected broker. Our user guide has all of the portfolio settings available for you. It's easily found from the program. If you go to the Timing tab, click on the Action Plan button, and click the link for the information of our trading systems. The report is a PDF that you can print out if you like. As we scroll through it, currently we have all of the settings for each of the portfolios listed here in detail for your ease of use so that you can recreate the portfolios and backtest them on your own. Of course, you can also use the templates to create those backtests. And over the next week, we'll expand it to include more background information to help you with your trading plan selection. But for now, this concludes our special presentation. Thank you for attending.